Estamos preparando más sorpresas desagradables para el enemigo. Los líderes ucranianos delinean estrategias de defensa y alianzas contra Rusia.
I wish health to the esteemed Ukrainians, esteemed Ukrainian women. I held a briefing today. There were reports from our intelligence, the Foreign Intelligence Service of Ukraine and the main intelligence directorate, about the challenges that exist for the summer and autumn regarding Russia's intentions. She spoke in detail about the threats that need to be addressed. There was a report on the operational situation, and the Commander-in-Chief Alexander Sirsky reported. All operational directions, Pokrovsk ahead for everyone, the most attention, Sumy region. We continue to act at the border. I also want to thank all our units that operate on Russian territory. The Minister of Defense reported on the arrival of assistance from our partners. We are ensuring a reliable flow of weapons for Ukrainian soldiers. I instructed to prepare a technological bid specifically regarding drones. The approved plan is to reach a number of 500 to 1,000 interceptors per day. This is very challenging. The deadline is set for 1 day, and it is the personal responsibility of all our officials involved. Today I was in the Sumy region, visited one of the drone manufacturing companies, specifically those interceptors. I thanked the team very much. It's a really great team of manufacturers. I am grateful to the developers and all the developers who are working on this topic, making it more extensive, specifically in the military, in our defense. We are contracting everything we can to the maximum. We are providing funding for all drone production of all types of drones. Today I was at one of the medical centers of the Ministry of Internal Affairs, the center that deals with the rehabilitation of our military, specifically after injuries. I spoke with the guys and awarded them state honors. Always, very important this gratitude to our warriors, to all our people who defend the state because they defend independence. Documents are currently being prepared, all necessary submissions for the awarding of several Ukrainian soldiers with the title of Heroes of Ukraine. Decrees will be issued soon. I also held a meeting today to prepare legislative decisions that we plan to implement in the near future. And of course, our communication with all partners continues so that this summer we do not lose a single day that could put additional pressure on Russia. I am grateful to the European leaders. I want to thank the United States of America. The pressure on the aggressor is not weakening, and that is important. We are preparing more troubles for the enemy. Thank you to everyone who is helping Ukraine. Glory to Ukraine.